Hello everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Brown, and today we are at Universal Orlando. There is loud music everywhere, but today is Mother's Day and I'm so excited to go in and have an awesome day and pick some rides and get a pass holder magnet and try some new sweet treats. So let's go have some fun. Okay, we are starting here at Super Nintendo World because I hear they have new merchandise and we want to see it. Oh, they got the Lumas. Oh, they are so cute. Oh, those are super cute.
Oh, look, these are...
I love this big pink one.
Sleeping Blue Yoshi now.
Yes, they got blue. Last I saw, they were like $95. And they have big toads. This is me and Logan's pins. We got mystery pins at the movie. That is so cute. Okay, as we pan around, I see lots of toys. And I see new Yoshis. Oh my goodness, these have got to be the shoulder pals. I think I have to get a pink one. And then Logan may get green because we are obsessed with our pink and green Yoshis. And we wore our shirts today too. They got hatching Yoshi. Okay, we have our hatching Yoshi at home. I'll have to insert a clip here because I don't think I ever posted him.
Yeah.
Okay, what are these? Oh, these are rings? A plush ring? I've never heard of a plush ring before. Okay, I see a couple shirts. I really want the pink shirt. There it is. Oh, okay, I think I'm gonna have to get my pink stuff today. Love the pink one. Oh, these are just little soft dolls too. Oh, they're a little weighted. They have little soft plushies. Cute. They got a green one over here with it. And of course, Logan's hat. And then the blue. Oh, the blue is super cute. And the green. Oh, the green backpack. That is so cute. Marshmallow treats and lollipops. And then of course the classic Yoshi section, which also has super cute stuff. The headband. Oh my goodness. Let's pull one out and look. Oh, they are so cute. That's adorable. Okay, we're over to the pin section to see if they have anything else new here. They do have the minecart one here now from the park. That's cool. Oh, some neat keychains.
Yeah, they definitely updated this section.
And then the cool lanyards. Logan's got his cool lanyard on today too.
Yeah, Donkey Kong.
He's got the Donkey Kong one, but he brought Yoshi pins today. They have green and yellow Yoshi in stock. I forgot to wear my pink Yoshi today, but I was thinking about getting the shoulder pal, so. Yeah, it looks like just green and yellow today. And then of course we got Bowser Jr., Bowser, Donkey Kong, Toad, Mario, Luigi, a section for everybody. Oh, and Peach in the back. And a whole stand of all the different hats and headbands. What are these, Logan? Little bitty guys.
Yeah.
And of course the Lumas, they got them out here too. Alright, we just left the Super Nintendo store and look what me and Logan have. Alright, we also wore our Yoshi shirts and stuff today. We've been all about Yoshi since the new movie. And I'm obsessed with the pink one. Logan loves the green one. So we knew they had new shoulder pals. Okay, there are some storms rolling in today, but it is quite windy and Yoshi just flew off my shoulder. But we just ran into a subscriber, Alpha Traveler 1, and I am so excited that I finally got to meet him in person. So we've been longtime subscribers of each other's channels for a very long time. So, all right, we are now at the entrance and we're heading in for some Mother's Day Yoshi fun. Yoshi!
No problem.
too cute because we never met Scooby, Shaggy, and the whole gang before. We only met Scooby and Shaggy one time. And Scooby wanted to sniff this guy's butt, the green one, and then he turned around so that Yoshi could sniff his butt back. In case you didn't understand what was happening there. Oh, and then we got Homer Simpson here as we're walking down the street. So how cute. All right, we're still moving on. I just wanted a super cute wave. Because you're the cutest. Oh, so nice to meet you. Okay, so walking past, saw super cute lion as well. Had to stop and get a little wave from him. And now ET says 15 minutes, so I can't pass up a 15-minute ET. At least to get immersed in the smell. That one takes me back the most. Okay, the SpongeBob place also has meet and greets. We looked through the window and saw Patrick and Squidward. Okay, 15 minutes.
Not on the right.
It's official. We are hopefully going to hear ET say our name. Okay, we're in the forest of ET. Okay, ET, super cute, always a fun time. Now we're heading towards Simpsons Land, and I think I'm gonna go check out at Lard Lad Donuts and maybe try a treat there that I saw somebody post about recently. Ooh, it's windy. Okay, here's the donut place with no line. Is it closed? Usually they have a long line.
Yeah, it's like dripping.
Alright, my first time getting a Simpsons Land donut. Alright, we are getting rain sprinkles, so we're gonna try a covered ride. Alright, we got the Simpsons ride done, and apparently it rained a little while we were in there, so that was kind of our purpose, to try and run in and skip some of the rain, though that one always gets me the tiniest bit of queasiness, so it helps when I have more food on my stomach too. But now we are moving on, so I will let my stomach settle a minute, and we're heading towards Harry Potter Land, or maybe a snack or something. So, oh, and the donut, I was gonna do the donut sundae, and their ice cream machine was down, so I ended up getting just the donut. It was my first time trying the Simpsons donut though. Not too bad, a little bit dry, but the vanilla icing was super duper good. We are in Harry Potter Land. Wow.
We have room for it.
And the talking head guy. He's creepy. So many foods. Hello. Okay, the Fast and the Furious area has lost the cars. I wonder if they're going to be going over to the roller coaster area. Oh, and the sun's popping out a little. Alright, so Tommy and Patrick stopped at that last little place to grab some snacks and food, and we are heading down to Starbucks. Alright, and then get a little something on my belly after that Simpsons ride. And then we are definitely here for our pass holder magnet, which is Transformers. So I think we'll probably hop on Transformers and get our magnet and make it a little Transformer thing.
Yeah, I really want the magnet because I really like the Transformers stuff. It's probably my new favorite Universal magnet.
It could be one of our coolest magnets that we have. Fast and the Furious entrance. That'll all be gone one day after the other ride opens. All right, Starbucks. Everything's had pretty short lines and waits today, even for the ride, so hopefully Starbucks does too. Sometimes Starbucks is the longest wait of all the rides. Nice, not bad at all. Pigeons in the back alley. All right, a good sweet cream, cold brew, vanilla. And we are heading towards Mummy. We gotta get on something fun. So let's see what the Mummy wait is. Everything's been pretty low. I think the rain helps scare off a bunch of people too. That's always nice. 50. Did everybody run in here? Because that can't be 50.
Yeah, it's got to be fake. Look, you can see the whole.
Yeah.
Was the symbol of the Magi, the fierce warrior swarm. This ancient symbol of the Magi.
Alright, so the mummy was super fun. We even had a slight delay, but it did not last very long. So now we're gonna hop in and get our magnet and decide, I think, Transformers and then on to Islands. Okay, this is the newest.
Yeah, this is like the coolest Universal magnet.
Whoa, yeah, this might be one of our favorites. Alright, I found my pins for the day and we are going straight here to walk on Transformers.
All right, recruits, welcome. Back on the floor, pull down the lock bar.
Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
The universal globe is spinning. Love to see it spinning. And we are heading down to Islands of Adventure. We have an hour and a half left, so we'll see what we can get done. We might end at Hagrid's. Here's the wall. There's a coaster going up back there. And we are here now, 6:45 after we stopped in the shop and see what we get done. Storm Force is always one of Logan's favorites, so here we go. Patrick and Tommy went over to Hulk, so I'm still a tiny bit queasy from that Simpsons ride, so hopefully this is okay, but I don't think I'm ready for a Hulk yet, but we might go do Hagrid's. I'm always ready for Hagrid's. Storm Force with Logan was super fun. All the weights are super low right now, so we're gonna hit up as many rides as we can. Right now, Logan is redoing Storm Force, and I'm sitting one out. It is warm today too. Woo. Okay, Spider-Man says 5. That's hard to pass up.
This could be the most dangerous night of my life and yours.
Alright, we are in the area that is going to be coming down one day. I heard the Mythos restaurant is closing in 2027, so next year. And here at Poseidon's, they already have up the walls. Look at that. Can't get back there anymore. Alright, we're going to have to come back and eat someday before it closes. Me and Tommy actually came here the day after my senior prom, and we ate there. So I got to take the kids back before it's gone. Alright, so we are now on our way back to Hagrid's. It's at a 105-minute wait, so sometimes it's shorter than it actually says. It's better than earlier. It was like 180 or something crazy, so 105 doesn't sound too bad, but we'll see. The park closes in 25 minutes. Sometimes that helps shorten the lines down at the end. Oh, the fountain's over there. I'm not sure if this whole area is going to end up going at some point, and the fountain's going to be gone too, but we got to go talk to the fountain one day. For now, we are here for Hagrid's. Oh, 80-minute wait. I said 105. I meant 80-minute wait.
Don't mind the Thestrals. They're clever and useful, they are. Off you go. We're reaching the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scroots before they say anything else. We just don't know what they're doing.
Here we go! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worth this points.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
No, don't
Second
panic.
row.
Just, oh no.
Woo!
Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at Matty.
Oh. Here we go. Woo!
Oh, crikey. You're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat. Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screw. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn.
And a mother on Mother's
She's
Day.
a mom. Ready, lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we.
All right, so just got off of Hagrid's and Patrick went back to re-ride with Tommy and that was awesome. It said 80-minute wait and we were on in about 40 minutes. But closing at night helps, so if you get here right before closing and then they shut down the single rider and express pass lines and then you start moving a lot faster. So we're gonna stand here, watch the rides, and then we'll be heading to the exits. Alright, we are on our way out to the car. We had an awesome time. We stopped and did some more shopping. I got the pink Yoshi shirt. Thank you for joining us on our magical adventures. See you again next time, real soon.